No!
Hello guys.
No!
Today when I wake up I saw my cat was in really bad pain and she was moaning. I really feel bad for her, so that I decided to go to the market and buy some special cat milk. I bought only 200 grams for $10. That's so expensive for me because I'm not working. I'm using my savings for my 5 kittens because I can't leave them on the street. So I have to raise them and then I will decide what to do. As it was written in the back description, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cat milk for cats under 1 month. I made it ready with hot water and I put that for minutes to cool down. When I came back, they were playing with themselves. I gave them one by one. I take different reactions, acting weird, some of them enjoying, some of them was not interested in, but by the way, all of them drank only 1 bottle of milk. I kinda forced them to drink that.
Yes!
So they can habituated with that. As they were drinking the cat milk, I was enjoying it. And that was something new for me, and if it's new for you too, I hope you enjoy it. Watch it till the end and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. As you see, the kittens are in 5 different colors, even in different shapes. Some of them are thin, some of them are fat. These 2 white and black cats are so thin and they look unhealthy, but I think they get their genes from their mother. And this one is different from the father and the mother. It doesn't look even alike to any of them. I think the mother cat bring a lot of street cat genes. The 2 other cats are fat and in different shape and form. They are fat, but with all that, I love them. I raise them, I clean them every day. This one is prettier than all of them. I really love this one. It's my favorite. It's so fat, and I think it get their genes, most of genes from the father with the short hair blue cat. I didn't bought the cat milk for her because she's already feeding very well, but she was looking at me and I just gave her a taste and she was enjoying. Here's the mother one and she's asking me, what are you doing to my kittens? I gave her food, but she wasn't interested. She was drinking really well as she was It was about to finish. I saw the father cat was looking at me. I bring this to give him some. I don't know, I think he wasn't enjoying that. So he ran away. I gave her to the mother cat. She was not interested either. So this was all. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you give me some like and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.